Nandito tayo ngayon sa scale model, no, Sir Andre. So,
Yes, sir.
we will show them the 4.5 hectare site development plan of Rockwell. So, ang laki pala ng Rockwell Power Plant mo. Ito siya.
Yes, sir.
And then, kanina, sir, we're here on the third level.
On the first building, yes,
First
on the
building.
third floor, sir, of Manansala.
Manansala. And
And
then,
then this is the Ben Cap, sir.
and one of the updates that we could give you is the third tower.
Third building, yes,
Oo.
sir, correct.
And just to give them a glimpse of that, as of the moment, as of October 2025, we cannot disclose the price yet and the further details. That's why you have to stay tuned and feel free to comment down below and send us a message to give you more updates and comprehensive discussion on the third building. But we could accept letter of intent already. What's the name of the third tower, the third building?
Okay, Sir Alan. So the name of the third building is the Aurelio. So it's also a national artist with Kapampangan roots.
Oh.
So that's the third mid-rise building of the entire 4.5 hectares.
Yes. So speaking of the launching of the third tower, we highly encourage our clients to position themselves, no, when it comes to investing at a launching date. Kasi that's that time na best to invest kasi mababa pa yung pricing. And speaking of pricing, no, so we will give you the updates on the pricing of the remaining inventory that we have. So let's go there to talk about the pricing.